Hello, welcome back to Pure Science Education. Today we're looking at covalent bonding. Covalent bonding takes between two non-metals. Both non-metals have the same charge, and what they do, they will share one or more electron to get full outer shell configuration, which makes the element stable. So if we was to look at a non-metal here, chlorine is a non-metal. Chlorine has got 17 electrons in the outer shell. So Cl has got 17 electrons. The electronic configuration is 287. So as you can see, both chlorines gonna need one electron. So what they will do, they will share this here, they will share this together to get full outer shell configuration. So if I was to just draw the outer shell for you, chlorine and chlorine. So if you look at this chlorine, just in the outer shell, it has already got 7 electrons. I'm going to put 1 there. And if you look on the other side, it's got 7 as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So the original one with the dots, I've done 7. And then I've done 7 here. So you can see they're sharing. Now, if you look in the middle, they are sharing 1 pair of electron. So 1 pair of electron can be represented by a single line. So when you look at this structure here, the reason why chlorine is written as Cl and Cl, that one line represents that 1 pair of bond they were showing, like I showed you in the original slide. And hence the formula for chlorine is Cl2. Cl2 is a diatomic molecule, which means it's got 2 atoms of the same element. So if you was to look at some other example where we have double bond, now oxygen is written as O2, and the reason being this time we have got 2 lines. That means we are sharing 2 pairs of electron. And how do we know we're sharing 2 pair of electrons? Because oxygen is got 6 electrons in the outer shell. 2. And then if I draw the other oxygen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And if I draw the other one, I'm going to start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So if you start counting them now, if you look at the first one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And if you look on this side, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So both of them have now got 8 electrons in the outer shell. However, each one of these is equal to 1 pair of electron, which is then represented by 1 line. Because I have got 2 pairs, 2 of these, then that's 2 pair of electrons, hence oxygen shows a double bond, whereas when you looked at the chlorine molecule, it only showed 1 line sharing 1 pair of electron. I'm going to show you a different example where you get to share 3 pairs of electron, and that is nitrogen. Now, nitrogen has 3 lines, meaning it's sharing 3 pairs of electron. And the reason why it shares 3 pairs of electron, because nitrogen has got 5 electrons and it needs to gain 3. So you end up sharing 3 pairs of electron because of nitrogen having 5 electrons in the outer shell. So this is how we draw and represent non-metal sharing an electron with a non-metal to get full stable outer configuration. Now, some properties that you may want to know about covalent bonding is when atoms share a pair of electrons, they're forming covalent bonds, and these bonds are strong. They often have smaller molecules, and like I said to you, if I have a single line, I'm representing 1 pair of electron being shared. 2 lines was double, and if you had 3 lines, that was triple bond, which we demonstrated using nitrogen. You can also have different elements. They don't have to be the same as long as they're both non-metals. That's what you are looking at. So if I was to pick out a different element, this time let's look at a different element. I mean, you can have a go at doing this yourself. Draw the outer shell of covalent bonding on nitrogen. Now remember, I said to you nitrogen got 5 electrons in the outer shell, so you can show the sharing which with the 3 lines. Now this time I'm going to just show you how to do a different element. If you just leave this here, and I'm going to do HCl, which is your hydrochloric acid. So hydrogen has got 1 electron in the outer shell. However, chlorine has got 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So you can see that they are sharing 1 pair of electrons. So the formula becomes HCl. That single line that we were showing you before, and both of them are now stable. So hydrogen got 2 electrons in the outer shell now, whereas chlorine has got 8. So I hope this video helps you to understand how covalent bonding works. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and I'll see you next time.